over the past week as more homes went under contract. It's Friday, March 3rd, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Be in the know. Subscribe for your weekly local market updates. Available homes rose 2.65% this week to 1,020 homes for sale. 358 of those, or 35%, have made pricing adjustments. The majority of these that made adjustments were on the market for more than 200 days. 85 homes came on the market since my last report, rising this week. 66 homes are coming soon. That's a few more than last report. 80 went under contract, more again this week. 84 properties went to pending, also more this week. 154 properties sold in 22 days at 97.6% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell was a waterfront in Ocean City for $6,100,000. Available rentals actually fell to only 83 homes at $1,799 per month, with days on the market up to 45. Got questions? Let me give you the facts. Call me. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, March 3rd, 2023. Thanks again for tuning in. Until next week, stay safe.